Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add donation buttons on your Twitch channel. There's a couple of ways we have, but we are going to use the easiest and simplest way in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to be search that Streamlabs, and you just need to be logged in here, or if you don't have any account, then you just need to be create an account in that place. So I'll just click over here, sign up. Once I click over here to the sign up, then I just need to be logged into this Streamlab. So you just need to be provide your email, password, and then select all these necessary things. Let's say I am going to provide all necessary details in here. So I will click here and let's set a password. I already set the password, and then I will click come over that place, and then I will copy my address. Then I will set an email. Then I will make the password more hard in this way, and I will just click to the sign up. Once I click over here, then the sign up will be enabled in that place. So they already give us the code, so I just need to come over that place, and then I will just need to copy the code and paste it here, and then I just need to verify my mail. Once I did, then I will redirect to the dashboard. So here you can see, so to verify your email, I already verified. I don't know what is the problem happen in here. Let's see why it is happen. Yeah, as you can see, we are already landed into the dashboard. So from that place, I will click, I would rather explore on my own. I will click this one, and then they are telling us to choose the best plan for you. So I will go with the free plan. So I'll select this one, and then I'll click on join with free. Once I did, then eventually I will get the couple of options. This is called dashboard panel. So from that panel, I'll just click to the tipping. Once I come over that place, you can start with the PayPal standard. It means the personal account, or you can go with the business one. So I have a personal account, so I'll click over here connect, and then I'll click to the connect again. And once I did, then they will give us the option. So I will refresh this one. Sometimes it happens for the network issues, so you just need to be keep patience on that work. So once it's done, I will select the cars in here. So once it's done, then I will just click to the verify, and it will eventually be verify, and we can go ahead with that. So there is maybe a problem, so they are telling us to provide our email. So I already have the email, so I will copy the email again from that place. So I will copy that one. This is my email address, and then I'll paste it here and just click to the next. Once I did, then I will just log in here, and then you just need to provide your password. I will provide the password in that place, and just click to the login. Once I did, then it will eventually will log in that panel. So there is a problem maybe I'm facing. I think I forget the password, maybe or maybe not, or some of your info is not correct, maybe the country or whatever thing. So once it's done, like let's search for Streamlab again, then eventually you will get the link, one of the link, and then you just need to come over here to the setting. Once you come over that palace, you just able to add this button in here. So now you just need to be shift to the dashboard. You just need to be click over here, create a dashboard, and then you just need to be go over here channel. You just need to be find it out channel. Let's find it out together. So you just need to be find it out from that place. Once it's done, so it's available in here. So let's check this one. I will open this one, stream together viewer setting. This one is the channel, and from that one you can link the title here like the donations, and you can provide your link in that palace where you will get the link from here into the Streamlab. The process is really simple. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.